So you might be wondering the reason why I was pointing at that guy while he was working. It was not actually because he's working there. I was trying to explain something, and I first did a video explaining all of this. That was why the video was on mute. At the end of the day, I found out the video did not have audio, so I had to do a voiceover. So, guys, here is the job that we came to do at OLOGBO, Edo State, just the boundary between Delta State and Edo State. Guys, this job is an amazing job, and I'm going to give you the whole description of this job. Just stay with me as I walk you through this project. This is Primeglobal Aluminium and Roofing Company Limited, and my name is Moses Bright Ogeneyele. It has been a while, we have been off, and it has been good. It has really been good. We have been busy to an extent that I hardly even come online to make videos like this. But today I made it a must and mandatory something to always try to want to update my people that are here, because what's the essence of us working without updating you, and how can we get other projects to also upload? So here it is. While I'm doing this explanation, you see that the job is fast moving. This work was not actually achieved in one particular day. This is a job that has been going on for 2 days now, and it was not really easy sorting out the job. Firstly, I will have to start with the woods that we used for these jobs. The wood that we use is Oleku wood, all the way from Delta State. Usually, when we have a job, that's where we get our wood from. But because of the road right now leading to Edo State, it is very difficult getting materials across. And aside from that, the cost of transportation at this particular moment is really extreme. So we are diversing on getting materials in Edo State just to try to want to equal the price. Though prices in Edo State is still high at this moment, but that is what we have to do. So, guys, you see the job that is already going on. We started off with the wall plate job, which you already seen before now. The wall plate. Then we came up with the rafter, the tie beam. Sorry about it. We come up with the tying of the beams, which is the 2x6 jobs that you saw there. The reason for us using 2x6 is because this building is a very large building. Like, the space is large, that it's even occupied. Um, the plot of land here is like 100 by 100, and it's occupied one part of it. So it's a very large building. So after we used our work plates, we already tied our beams, we went straight up to construction, which is we already started the design of the job, and we were able to meet up the design. We moved on to our rafters, which is what you are seeing right now, because rafters is what is the design at the particular moment. So rafters, we use 2x4 for it, and you see the construction of this building. Like I said earlier, the whole of these jobs that I'm summarizing right now is not a job that we just did in one day. This is a job that took us over a week to complete, including the roofing sheet installation, of which I'm going to give you a part two of that one. But at this particular moment, this particular video is basically on the wood job. I want you to see every step which we used in construction of the job, and the breaking and every design that this building have. As a matter of fact, our client was really amazed when we completed the job, because we usually don't ask for, like, okay, and give us your roofing plan. We don't ask for roofing plan. What we do is we already have our tape, and our tape is the master work of this whole thing. Once you get your measurement is going to tell you what you are going to do, and that is what we have been doing. You see, our job is one job that is neat and very precise. We take our time to get the best of what we are doing. We are using aluminium parapet for this job, so we are giving it the best that we can. So that, with all of that being said, this job went as far as, like, it took us a lot of time, but the time, it was really worth it, and we did every possible best that we can use to get this job done. So guys, for now, let me leave you so that you watch the video as it proceeds. Please, before I leave, do well to watch it till the end, because you are going to find, you might find something that really interests you. So don't only give it like, because you just see all of this going on. No, you might see something that interests you and you want to drag your attention to it. So please do well to watch this video to the end, and also drop your comments and let us know what you think about this job. You can also give us a subscription, because it's not only going to cost much to subscribe. Just click on the subscription button and you are good to go. It's been a while, honestly, and I really miss um, giving updates on our channel. It has been God all this while, and we are really trying. Thank you to everyone that is still reaching out to us and trying to check up on us, and thank you to each and every customer that have given us job over time, despite the fact that, okay, you haven't really got seen any new updates from us, but you have been consistent. Thank you so much. So guys, let's get this job going as you see the rest of this job.
Prime Global Aluminium and Roofing Company in it. We are government registered and approved, an authorized company. Primeglobal Aluminium and Roofing Company Limited. Primeglobal Aluminium. Primeglobal Aluminium. Primeglobal Aluminium. Primeglobal Aluminium. Primeglobal Aluminium and Roofing Company Limited. We have gone on tours around Nigeria. We supply and install long span aluminium, installation of parapet, parapet, parapet. Primeglobal Aluminium. Primeglobal Aluminium.